Alright guys, right now I'm here at Oriole Go Station. This is the final video, and I can see the train is coming and passing over Leslie Street, and you can see coming down there. We have an MP40 locomotive, and he is about to come and pass over the highway 401, and you can see it coming down there. You can see he's pulling into the Oriole Go station. It's getting closer to Oriole station, closer to the Oriole Go platform. He's just passing under Highway 401, and any seconds now, the lights are going to be off. There you go. Just only a minute, lights are on. So we have a new MP40 engine, 663. So we have 663 MP40 engine. Sorry, the train positions are not correct. So sorry, the train is reversing back. Didn't get the position right. I'm just gonna pause the video until the train leaves. Sorry guys, just before I pause the video, the train needs to fix the position pump. The train position is fixed, so I'm gonna pause the video until when the train doors are closed. When the train doors are closed, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna film it back once the train leaves at Oriole bus station. So I'm gonna pause the video. All right, train doors are now closing at Oriole bus station. All right, 663's departure at Oriole Go Station. Here you go, departure at the Oriole Go Station. There he goes, that's departure at Oriole Station. there's ghost number before the engine 663. A new cab car, 370. There they go all the way down to Bloomington on the Richmond Hill line. Alright guys, that's for the video today, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.